Okay, the first thing that you should consider when you're buying anything really is how much you're willing to spend. But today you can get, through just a few £100 or through a few $100, a relatively decent AV amp. And the thing to consider first is your budget, because then this has an impact on the surround sound setup that you then look to develop from that. You can, just for a 5.1 system, standard surround, without Atmos, you can get that for just a few £100. And then for just a sort of a few £100 more than that, you can get a 5.1.2 Atmos setup with just the front Atmos speakers. So those are the first things that you should consider. You should consider how much you're willing to spend on an AV amp. There's some very good amps from Denon in this range, Marantz too, and Yamaha also do some really good amps. Denon do some good ones that also do Atmos, just below the £500 mark. But if you're just looking for 5.1, there's some really good opportunities for you to get a good solid amp for just a couple of £100. Even on eBay, you can pick up some really good AV amps for 5.1, as people are moving more towards 5.1.2 or 5.1.4, so Atmos, relatively cheaply. So look out on eBay as well if your sort of budget constraints are looking sort of a little bit slimmer, shall we say. So the first thing to consider, of course, is your budget.